Art Integration Project. Indian history is always fascinating with all mighty kings and dynasties. One of the most prominent dynasties of southern India is the Chola dynasty. Temples built by Cholas or which have a Chola influence on them are scattered over a large region which include central, northern and Tamil Nadu. Vijayalaya Choleswaram temple is one of the temple extended by Cholas. Now we are going to see about it. Vijayalaya Choleswaram temple. Vijayalaya Choleswaram temple in Narthamalai, a Panchayat town in Pudukkottai district in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. This temple was constructed in the Dravida style and rock cut architecture. It occupies a high position in the architectural history of India. This temple was dedicated to Hindu god Shiva. This temple is believed to have been built during the 9th century by Muttarayar kings, the cardinal of Pallavas, with later expansion from the Cholas. Approximately 1300 years ago, Vijayalaya Chola defeated Muttarayar and Narthamalai came under Cholan Empire. This temple was renovated by Chola king chief Vijayalaya Chola. Vijayalaya Chola was the ancestor of Sri Rajaraja Chola who visioned the Grand Cholan Empire. This temple was the model of Sri Pragadishwara temple in Tanjore. The rock cut architecture is an early example of Cholan art, continuing the tradition of Pallavas. This temple was built following the Vesara architecture. There is a big Shiva Lingam in the Garbhagriha. This picture was the old painting painted by paints from flowers. This painting is belonged to 17th century. The temple situated facing towards the west is a perfect example for the Cholas' contribution to art and architecture. There are two Dwara Balakas at the entrance having one leg on the another. This feature is common in the Cholas' art and architectural style to build temples. The height of the Vijayalaya Choleswaram temple and the small shrines around it is nearly 2/3 of the hills nearby. The large cave nearby, called as the first Samanar Kudagu or the Padinen Bhumi Vinnagaram, was a Samanar cave in the 7th century and later it was expanded as Vishnu temple. The next cave, Artha Mandapam, of this temple has 12 big Vishnu statues. First 6 in one side and next 6 in another side of Vishnu statues. In the Pidam of the stage, in the Mandapam, there are a line of Yali, lion, elephant and so many other statues, and more inscription also was there. As per the inscriptions, immediately after the construction of the temple was damaged by rains and lightning. The restoration work was carried out by Tennavan Tamiladiya. The shrine is an important one in the history of temples in Tamil Nadu. In modern times, the temple is maintained and administered by Department of Archaeological Survey of India as a protected monument. Presently, only 6 out of the original 8 sub-shrines remains around the main shrine. The temple is consisted of Amandapa, Antarala, Garbhagriha, etc. Mythological legends surround the formation of the hills in which the temples lie. The main temple stands on a double lotus base. Main entrance is provided at west side, which takes a visitor into a pillar mandapa. It is believed that Lord Hanuman, while carrying the hill with the Sanjeevani plant to the dying Lakshmana, passed over the region. Some part of the mountain fall down. One of the mountain fall down. In that, the temple was located. That Vijayalaya Cholishwara temple. The temple is first among South Indian temples to incorporate Dravida and Vasara styles to be incorporated in the Vimana. Beautiful sculptures of Uma Sahitar and Veena Dara Dakshina Murti belonging to the Devakoshta on the griva of the main temple are now in Pudukkottai Museum. While going to the main temple, in that way there was a Sunai called Talai Aruvi Singam Sunai. There was a Shivalingam inside the pond-like structure. We can't see it, and a temple also. There was a belief in inside the temple. When we going inside, we can't see clearly the Shiva Lingam. A round structure around the lingam, a black path. We round it and come to see the lingam. We can clearly see the lingam. This is the picture of Nandi located in front of the main temple, which was like in Bragadishwara temple. Today we have seen more about Vijayalaya Cholishwaram temple.